Good morning. We're here in Canada. We were in Ottawa and now I've ventured a little bit further north to Wakefield, Quebec, to a historic covered bridge. We'll head down here just so you can see a little bit of it. I'll get some drone shots in a little bit. This bridge was initially built in the early 1900s, and in 1984 it burned down. But the community got together and rebuilt it because it's a very important historic monument. In the 1970s, I used to travel from Kingston, Ontario to right around this area. There was a ski hill called Edelweiss and another one in Mont Saint Marie, and we always went by this covered bridge but never stopped. And now that was in the 70s, guys, so now 60 or yeah, I guess 50 some years later, I'm here filming the place. So let's give you a look at the bridge. We'll get down here. There's the bridge up there, spanning it all the way. It used to be just a covered bridge for the wagons that used to go across here years ago, but now it's only foot traffic only. I'm going to turn my light on here. And maybe that puts a little bit more light on me as we're going to walk through that bridge and have a look when we're on it. Are you ready? Okay, I'll go back up and we'll go through the bridge. Okay, here's the opening of the bridge, and we'll have a nice walk through. Wow. This is awesome. Have a look at the ceiling and the joist they use, the cross bracing. You see, it's a good little ways through this bridge. Wow. There's some kayakers there if you can see them. This is awesome. From that bridge in the distance is what we always crossed going to the ski hills, but we never stopped. It's only about 100 meters off the road, but you know, we were young and we wanted to get skiing, and on the way home we wanted to get home, so we never actually stopped. I finally taken the time to come here and have a look. So we're staying in Ottawa. It's only about a 35-minute drive to here, and we're going to go see an interesting power dam and waterfalls another 30 minutes or so north, and I'll take you there too. But this is just, you know, it means a lot to me because I had a lot of good times going skiing and with friends and relatives, and it's just a beautiful thing to actually take the time to see this bridge and its magnificence. because it meant a lot to us, especially since we knew soon when we crossed that bridge, we're not far from the ski hill. Or at least saw the bridge, I should say, because we never crossed it. So here we are at the other end. The far end of the bridge. Wow. Well, let's go back and we'll get the drone up.